Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. We're going to be making a vegetarian Italian pasta salad. All the components for today's recipe can be found in the description field under this video, as well as the ticker throughout the video. So in my bowl, I have here 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 clove of garlic that I just smashed and chopped up. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil, half a cup of red wine vinegar, just a little small pinch of crushed red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I use coarsely ground black pepper. A teaspoon of lemon juice, or you can use a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. It's totally up to you. Mix the ingredients together thoroughly. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up and share this video and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to check out my previous content. So now I'm going to set this aside. I have half a pound of rotini pasta that I just cooked until it's completely done. I cooked it in lightly salted water. I drain the water and I let the pasta cool. Do not rinse your pasta. That's really critical. So I have 1 cup of broccoli that I steamed. I lightly steamed it, and I just cut it up from a small head of broccoli. I have here 1 cup of cherry tomatoes that I sliced in half, as well as a 1/4 cup of diced red onion and a 1/4 cup of bell peppers diced. Two ounces of sliced black olives. Let's toss all these ingredients here, just to make it easier when we add our dressing. 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. Now, if you want to add meats to this, like salami, pepperoni, pastrami, feel free. Artichokes would be good in this. Artichoke hearts, that would be good. Mushrooms. Okay, let's pour our dressing over. After tossing all the ingredients together, we're going to let this sit for about an hour. Then we're going to come back, taste it for salt and pepper, adjust any seasonings, and then it's ready to serve. So here's our delicious pasta salad. I'll let it sit for about 3 hours, and you can see everything is really absorbed. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. I did make some adjustments to the recipe, so keep that in mind when you see the recipe pop up on the screen. Always go by the written recipe. I'm going to just get a piece of that. Wow. It's absolutely delicious. I love the nuttiness from the Parmesan cheese. I love vinaigrette, so I just love that tanginess that you get from the vinegar, but a nice subtleness from the flavors of the olive oil with all the spices. Absolutely delicious. And this is going to be even better when it sits overnight. Love like those bits of bell pepper you can taste. Delicious. Please add this video to your playlist. Please hit that thumbs up, share this video, and leave a comment. I appreciate all of you guys' support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.